Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your profile picture in VRChat. Alright, let's begin. To change your profile picture in VRChat, you need to have VR+. Without it, the Edit Profile section won't allow you to change your icon or profile picture. Once you subscribe to VR+, either monthly or yearly, you'll gain access to update your profile image directly in-game. Go to your Account or Name section, then select the option to edit your profile. From there, you can choose a new profile picture or icon from your uploaded images. Make sure your images are properly uploaded and comply with VRChat's guidelines. You can also update your profile picture through the VRChat website if you prefer, and it will sync with your in-game profile. This feature makes it easy to personalize your VRChat experience and show off your favorite images as your icon. So, that's basically how you can change your profile picture in VRChat. That's it for this video. Thanks.